Hey, everyone, in this video I'm going to tell you why passive income is so appealing and why so many people are trying to build it. We've all worked jobs before where someone is our boss and we trade our time for money. We go to work, we put in our hours, and at the end of the week or month we get a paycheck. But it's not really passive. We have to constantly trade our time for money as long as we want that income to keep coming in. Having a business or investments that generate income without requiring our constant time and effort is incredibly attractive. Who wouldn't want to be able to take a vacation or spend more time with family without worrying about how the bills will be paid? With passive income, the money continues to flow in whether you're working or not. Once you've set up systems and assets that produce passive income, you gain a lot more freedom and flexibility in your life. No more being tethered to a 9-to-5 job if you don't want to. You can live wherever you want and pursue your own schedule. On top of the freedom, passive income also has the potential to really scale up your earnings over time. For example, if you write an ebook or develop some software, your royalties keep growing as more people purchase it, all without having to lift another finger. Investments like dividend stocks, real estate, or online businesses just keep making money as long as they're set up correctly. So in summary, who wouldn't want freedom, flexibility, and scaling income? Passive income truly allows you to design your own life on your own terms. It's no wonder so many entrepreneurs and investors are buying massive passive AI. I hope this gives you an idea of why passive income is so appealing. Let me know if you have any other questions.